Okay, hello everyone. We are looking at the ZTE Majesty, and I know that there are already quite a few good reviews out there, but I figured I'd do some supplemental information about this guy. We already know that it is a 4.1.2 Jelly Bean Android that weighs 5.29 ounces. Diagonal screen size is approximately 4.5 inches. So let's go ahead and look at a couple of the cool details that this guy has. For starters, the wake up screen has this nice little feature where you can either press and hold in order to get into the screen, or if you choose to swipe, then it allows you to either place a phone call, mute the screen or the volume, look at the calendar, initiate the camera, and add additional things as well as check your email. One thing that I did already was I gauged the speed of this guy and basically found, so first thing you notice is that this standard gives me some of the really high-end devices. You got the HTC One X, you got the transformer, and then this device is 2.6 gigs. In other words, 2 gigs speed-wise, and that's the processor. So, I mean, it's basically faster than a Motorola Atrix, a Galaxy Tab 10, Galaxy Nexus, Optimus 2X, HTC Desire, and the Nexus S. Also, I checked out some of the CPU information, and it's basically an ARM 7 or V7 processor, 1209 megahertz. It's a dual core processor, and it comes with a total memory of, what is that, 611 megs. Okay, so we got that. Other thing that I looked at was the resolution. It's 480 by 854, and it's got dots per inch, 160 times 159, and a 60 hertz refresh rate. A couple of other things. If you look at some of the apps that it has, I thought this app was pretty cool, the Task Manager. And this basically allows you to see what you have running and disable some of those things. So if you don't want your device to be slowed in any way, then you can just X out something that's currently running. Now, some options like the Android system obviously don't let you, but that's cool. You don't want to do that anyway. But your camera might be running in the background, so you want to disable that. Your file manager, which is coincidentally what we're using, so it allows you to force stop it. Yes. And then basically the good thing about that is that by doing that, you don't bog your system down. And then it pretty much has a lot of other cool features. Of course, you have YouTube. Oh, I thought this was cool. World time. If you want to know what time it is on other parts of the world, you can add it. So if you want to know what time, for whatever reason, what time it's in Samoa, you can add that in there. So it's just a nice little feature. I mean, of course, this has the usual navigation, email. Have to have a Gmail account. You should already know that. Maps, so you can do GPS browsing. I don't like maps directly. I rather go to navigation, and then you basically accept and hit OK. You want to access your location and go from there. Fuck.